So we've done something a little bit different today. We've driven up to Clitheroe. Me, Richard and Jay are gonna do a nice, God it's bright, do about 100k. What I would say is, don't feel like you always have to ride everywhere. Obviously we would want to be able to ride everywhere, but just thought it's really nice. Want to go via the, it's Ribblehead Viaduct, which is amazing, which we did on that delightful Dales Audax. So just getting the bikes together and sorted, and we are off. Look at this, Richard is like master baker. Oh, can I have a little bit more? It's so good. All vegan, look. Yeah. It's got pizza. Look at this. Oh my God, that pizza looks so nice. I'm going to try a bit of that. That's what we had before I went up Park Rash. So nice. It's so organised. That's oat and date. Is it like a flapjack?
It is a bit flapjacky, but it's quite solid, isn't it?
Carrot brownie and pizza. So we've somehow managed to gate crash like an Ironman, half Ironman. There's all these people with like tags and stuff on. It's quite fun, at least we're along the route. It's amazing though. Oh, look at this view. Well done. Alright. Jay's here. Look at this view. I love the Dales. I think I prefer the Dales to the lakes. Controversial, but yeah, I think I prefer the Dales. There's a guy up there taking photos of everyone. Just there. Well done. Yeah, so it's going to stop, have a little drink, a bit of a snack, and we'll head on. That is the view. Amazing. So which do you prefer? The lakes or the Dales?
I think this is called the Dales.
Which do you prefer? We're just having a discussion like, oh, which do we prefer? I think the Dales, defo. If you've been to both, leave a comment which you prefer.
I feel like I have to say the lakes now just to be honest.
No! The Dales is way nicer. I mean, they're both pretty epic.
No, actually, lakes is prettier.
Do you think?
Yeah, but I think this is better for riding.
Oh, I don't know. You haven't seen the Ribblehead Viaduct yet. That's where we're going. Well done. Yeah, you haven't seen the Ribblehead Viaduct. That is pretty insane. I think it's because it was the time of day that we saw it. It was extra nice. But like, look at that in the distance. Big mountain. Oh, I just love it. And it's closer. I just had to change my saddle. I'm getting a bit of backache, so that's what I'm doing. No! Yeah, I'm just getting a bit of like...
Ride, mate? 80k? Yeah, 56 miles.
Oh God, that car.
I know, that's more, isn't it? Yeah.
56 miles.
About 90k.
We're doing 90k?
Yeah. And then running half a
half marathon
after.
That's pretty intense. That is intense. But I'm just getting a bit of a sore back. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I've been using the small bike and that feels comfy, and then I've got back on this and it just feels really big now. So I've had to move my saddle forward a little bit. That's why I always bring Allen key, because I don't want to get on the 600 next week and have to be adjusting stuff. I need to test it out today, really.
The frame can be modern.
On we go. I'll keep you posted how the back is. Nice little stop. Pellegrino. Just realised, just looked on the map where we are, and we've not actually been through any of the Dales yet. We've gone through the Forest of Bowland, which isn't the Dales. I'm like, oh my God, we love the Dales, but we weren't even in the Dales, but oh well. My back is so sore, so I've moved my saddle forward. I'm like, oh, do I need to get a short stem? I don't know why this week. It has been hurting, like niggling the last couple of rides, but I've done loads of rides on that bike and not had any issues, and I'm just like panicking now about the 600 next week. So I don't really know what to do. I've been foam rolling it. It's kind of like across the middle, and my backs are like there, but on the back of it. So if you've got any tips, I would very much appreciate it. I don't know why it's so sore.
Worse than anything we've already done today, though.
I keep trying to stretch it. Oh. And Weatherman Richard keeps his eye on the weather. What are you doing? He's checked and it's gonna chuck it down, so we need to skedaddle. How long have we got before it rains?
It might not rain.
Well, I'm not taking that chance. I don't have a jacket or anything vaguely waterproof, so go. We have arrived into the Dales. And I did actually go back to film that. I'm pushing it. Seeing that, it's Ribblehead Viaduct. I don't think that is the same viaduct that we came past last time.
No, it's not. Really.
So nice. So we just can see Ribblehead Viaduct, which is, I just love it. I did the Three Peaks across here quite a few years ago actually. Walked from that way. This is a Three Peaks trail. So you go up from there, along that trail. And I don't know why, I did it in denim hot pants. I'll put a picture up. Why would I do it in denim hot pants? Why would I think that that's a good idea to climb 3 mountains in denim hot pants? And I was fine. What was I even thinking? Anyway, back to the ride. My back feels a little bit better now actually. But I was panicking. I was just like, oh my god, I don't think I can do 600. It's still a little bit sore, so I want to keep foam rolling, but yeah. I think I want to get another bike fit, get an updated one. It's not fun riding your bike when you're in pain. If you've got saddle pain, leg pain, any kind of pain, it takes the edge off it. So I need to get that sorted out. So yeah, we're gonna carry on with Richard and Jay. Richard, can't even speak. What are you doing? You saying Ed?
Bob, listen. Ed! Bob!
Jay, you're off your
Reply
head.
to it. Ed!
It's just starting to rain, so we're going to rush and get in the car. Jay's just putting the bikes on the back. We're just putting his bike in his car. I'm going to go. We've done lucky not to get chucked on, which is pretty good. So yeah, it's just probably the bike's going to get a little bit wet. Look at this. Ooh, that pizza just looks so nice. Let's have a bit of that.
Try it if you want. It's the English way. Just have a bit if you want.
I know, but I don't want to waste it if I can't cook it now.
And just take them with you if you want.
No, oh, that's plenty.
How much you want?
Monko. Just got back, and the first thing that I always do, I don't know if it's actually helping or not, the first thing I do when I get back in, when I've had a sore back, is I get out, where is it? Excuse the terrible hair. First thing I get out is a foam roller, so I'm just going to do a little bit of foam rolling, and then I'll be back with you. One sec. Yeah, today's ride, I didn't feel that good, to be honest. There's not many times when I'm on a ride and my back hurts. I don't really get it. Sometimes I get it every so often, like on the struggle, my back ached. I don't know if it's just because of the climbing, or today maybe it's just because of the climbing, but it was just painful. And then all in my head I'm just thinking, oh my god, I've got that 600 next week, and if my back's that sore, like there's no way I'll be able to do it, just because it's so painful. So I guess I'm just gonna have to see how I get on. I'm gonna do lots of stretching this week, foam rolling. If you've got any tips, it's almost like I'm gonna put a picture up and like just show you where the actual pain is on my back. It's not in the shoulder blades, and it's not on the bottom of my back. It's kind of like in the middle. So I don't really understand like what that even is. So today was not a great day for a ride. Sometimes I don't enjoy riding my bike. And today, I mean, I enjoyed seeing Jay, I enjoyed seeing Richard, I enjoyed the countryside, but the pain of it, it just, I feel, if you have pain when you ride a bike, I have so much, like every single time, then I feel bad because it's not nice at all. So yeah, I'm gonna get some food now and feel sorry for myself. No, I'm only kidding. It's just a bit of a sore back. I can get it sorted. I can sort either. I'm gonna look into getting another bike fit, to be honest, and then looking at doing some more exercises to try and strengthen my back. But it's only been 100k. Like, that's the thing. Like, I've done longer rides and been fine. So I don't know. I've not changed anything on my bike setup. Well, I have today. I've moved the saddle because it was hurting. I just can't understand what it is. Maybe it's my mattress. Maybe I'm just not working sat right when I'm on the computer. I'm just trying to think of any kind of thing that would affect my back. There's just so many things, isn't there? So if you've got any ideas of why that would be hurting, then please let me know in the comments, and let me know if there's anything I can do in a week to try and solve it. I mean, it doesn't matter, does it? I don't have to be ready by next week. If I don't do it, I don't do it. On that note, I'm going to bid you farewell, go and get some food, and I'll see you next video. I can't end the video like I ended it because I feel like I was so negative and mardy and just like, it's not a big deal. It's really not, and I'm just making it. I think it's just because I get frustrated that I can't do things that I want to do sometimes, and it's just my body. And we're not all superhuman. We do get aches, we do get pains, and I can't really complain after all the stuff that I've done. This is like the first time that I've had kind of a bit of a niggle, and I still rode, so it's not like the end of the world. And I have to be very thankful and very grateful that I'm fortunate enough to be able to ride my bike when I want to ride it. And yeah, I wanted to end on a more positive note because I just felt like it was a little bit, when I think back of how I was, I just feel like I was a little bit mardy, and I don't want to come across like that because I'm not always like that. And I try and inspire and try and kind of see the fun side of cycling, but I also want to show you like the whole thing of and everything that goes on with me. So that is why I want to show these times as well. But yeah, I can't be too down on it because I'm healthy, I'm happy, I've just got a bit of back pain. So what I've done is, rather than moping around it and feeling miserable, and not miserable, I mean that's a bit extreme, but feeling sorry for myself, I've looked online, I've looked at some exercises, so I've been doing them tonight, and just see how I get on. It's not the end of the world. If I can't do this ride on Saturday, I can't do it, but I'm gonna give it a go, get some rest this week, do some exercises and stretch it out, and that's all you can do. That's all I can do. So I want to go to bed, so I'm trying to get early nights in the run up to the 600, so it is about 8:30. I'm feeling a little bit wild, probably won't sleep for another 45 minutes. God, this is turning into a very long, boring video, but yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now, and I will see you next video.